Welcome you to this video, and in this video I will show you about how to calculate sensitivity analysis and scenario analysis by using Excel. Okay. So have a look in the first sheet. We have our project like this, and here is once we calculate the NPV already. So you can see that right now NPV is negative. So we're gonna look at how can we use the sensitivity analysis to vary those assumptions and how we can look at the effect on the NPV of the project. Okay. So have a look in this part. Here is a table for sensitivity analysis. You can see that right now we are interested to vary the percent of sales. Okay, so we have to construct this table first, and then you need to link this cell to this NPV. Okay, so I did this thing already and I put it in the template for you. One thing is that once we want to vary in terms of percent of sales, have a look here. The sales estimate is we're gonna sell 100,000 every year. So I link this 100,000 with this sale. You see, so I put this as a dummy percent first, and then I will use the sensitivity analysis to vary this sale. So have a look here. Right now, this is 100,000 and this is 100%. So if I change to 90%, so have a look here, they will change to 90,000. Okay, let's go back to 100% first. So in order to conduct a sensitivity analysis by using Excel, so let's work on this thing together. First of all, you select this area, okay, and you go to data, go to what if analysis, and go to data table. So right now we want to vary percent of sales, so you have to input here in the row input, and you click on this cell, okay, then you click OK. So right now have a look here. We finished our sensitivity analysis already, so we can say that if we can sell 10% more than planned, the project will give you positive NPV. Okay, so I will do the same thing to you, but right now here percent vary in terms of unit price, and here percent vary in terms of unit cost. So I do the same thing. Go to data, what if analysis, data table. Right now you want to vary in terms of per unit price, so I linked it with this cell already. So that's it. Okay, so you see, in terms of per unit price, I link this to this percent. Okay, and right now in terms of per unit cost, so we do the same thing, what if analysis, data table, and then this 100%. So you can see that in terms of unit price, if the price increase, so NPV is getting better. But in terms of the unit cost, if the cost is lower, so the NPV is getting better. So the first three tables we vary in terms of percent, but for the two following table we will vary in terms of Thai baht. Okay. So right now in the fourth table we will vary it in terms of per unit price, and here is the term of per unit cost. Okay, so have a look here. Right now in our assumption, the per unit cost, per unit price is 260, so it is here, and per unit cost is 110, and it is here. So select this area, go to data, what if analysis, data table, and then click on unit price. Okay, so right now we want to vary in terms of the unit price directly here, not this percent. Okay, so here is the per unit price, and here is the per unit cost. So what if analysis, data table, and then click on this one and here. Okay, so have a look here. This is our conclusion from sensitivity analysis. Okay, as we mentioned together in class, when we look at sensitivity analysis, we vary one assumption at one time. Okay, so I hope you get some idea about how we use Excel. But remember, if you want to vary in terms of percent, make sure that you link this 100,000 with this cell first. Okay, and then have a look here. When we conduct this thing, so we vary this percent. But when we conduct this thing per unit price, I vary in terms of this cell. Okay, so this is a story about when we use Excel to calculate sensitivity analysis. Okay, Once we finish this part, I will bring you to the scenario analysis sheet. Okay. As we mentioned together in class that the scenario analysis is mean that we are interested to vary two assumptions at the same time. Okay, so I do the same thing, but I construct this table. Okay, so right now we are interested to vary percent of sale and percent vary of unit price. Okay, the thing is that you have to link this sale to this NPV calculation. Okay, you do the same thing. You select this area, go to data, go to what if analysis data table. Okay, sorry, we have to select all here. Okay, what if analysis data table. Right now, in terms of row input, it mean this axis, it mean percent vary of sales. So you have to click on this one. And here, percent vary of unit price. So you have to click on this unit price. So right now this is about the scenario analysis. Okay, you can see that some area like this, your project will have positive NPV. Okay, so to make it easier for the reader, you might need to put the green color like this. Okay, so this makes the reader understand your table easier. Okay. So when we complete our scenario analysis like this, so we understand that in those combination, for example, if your percent of value of sale increase 30% and then of unit price can be lower for 90%, not for 10%. So this bring you the positive NPV. Okay, so right now you can see that those positive NPV case, they come from two assumptions at the same time. Okay. The second example we will do for the per unit price and unit cost. Okay, so you do the same thing, data, what if analysis, data table. So we want to vary in terms of the unit price. So you click on here, and right now in the y-axis you want to vary in terms of per unit cost. So it is here. So you can see that the positive NPV project move to this direction. Okay. Then right now we want to vary in terms of Thai baht of unit price and unit cost. So we select the area here, go to data table. And then right now in terms of x-axis, you have to click on the unit price, and in terms of y-axis, you have to click on the unit cost. And then you just click OK. So here's your result for the scenario analysis. Okay, so I hope that this video will help you to cope with those sensitivity analysis and scenario analysis case better. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.